Hello, I wish to register a complaint. Hello, miss? What do you mean, miss? Well, I'm sorry, I have a cold. I wish to make a complaint. What, I propose it for lunch? Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot, which I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique. Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it? I tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it. No. You've rushed it, isn't it? Look, my lad, I know a dead parrot when I see one. And I'm looking at one right now. Yeah, mate, he's not dead. He's resting, and he looks like a remarkable bird, isn't he, eh? Look at the plumage. The plumage don't into it. It's stone dead. No, mate. He's resting, isn't he? All right, then. If he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Polly! I got a nice cuttlefish for you in here. No, we didn't know as you put in the cage. I never. Yes, you. I never did anything. Yes, you did. You put that cage and you know you did. What do you do? Hello, Polly! Wakey! Right, guys! This is your 9 o'clock alarm call! That's what I call it, they're parrots. No, he's stunned. Stunned? Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. That parrot is regularly deceased. As I called it not half an hour ago, you assured me that total like a boot was due to being tired and shagged out after a long squawk. Pining for George. What kind of talk is that? What people got it back to them when I got it home? Well, Norwegian blues for Perkins on their back, don't they? And I discovered that the only reason it's been sitting on a person's phone was that it had been nailed there. Well, of course I've nailed it there. If I wouldn't have nailed it down, he would have nose up to those bars, bent them apart with his beak, and then boom! Wee. Boom, wee. Make this parrot wouldn't boom, wee, and put 4,000 volts through it. Please demise. No, I'm telling you, he's pining. He's not pining, he's passed on. This parrot is no more. It has ceased to be. It's expired and gone to meet its maker. This is a late parrot. It's a stiff. For the rest of life it rests in peace. He shuffled off his mortal coil and joined the bleeding choir in Liverpool. In short, sunshine, he fucking snuffed it. This is an ex-parrot. I've had a look out the back, mate, and I've got a slug. Marcus?